Good day, student. As you can see, you are required to find the area of triangle ABC, given coordinate point ABC. So, how do you find the area of this triangle? You can use any method you know to find the area of this triangle. In this example, we are to make use of the determinant method. So, solution. We use what? The determinant method. So how do we first find the area of this triangle? Let us first of all find the determinant. Let's see D, using D as the determinant in a matrix form. We have 2, we have 4, we have 3. We have 3, we have minus 2, we have what? 2, we also have minus 2, we have 3, we have 4. So how do you find it in a determinant form? So once you have put it in a determinant form, let us first find the determinant given as D. Once we have the determinant, we will also have to find the area. In this case, the area of this triangle area A is equals to plus or minus half multiplying the determinant. So this is not triangle, this is determinant. Half plus or minus half multiplying what? The determinant will give us the area of the triangle. So let's find the determinant using the matrix form. So in this case, to get the first one, we have to close here. This gives us 2. Let me say it. We have 2 in bracket minus 2, 2, 3, 4. Next we have minus 4 because it is plus minus plus. So in the next we have minus 4 in bracket. We close this, draw a T. Whatever left, you write it down. We have 3, we have 2, we have minus 2, we have 4. Then the next thing is here you write what? 7. Here you write what? 7, and then box center you have cross a T. Here you write 7. So you have plus 3 in bracket, you have 3 minus 2 minus 2, you have 3. So I hope you see it. Once you have done that, this determinant will be equal to what? You simplify the matrix, minor matrix you have. So in this case, we have 2 multiplying 4 times minus 2 will give us minus 8, minus 3 times 2 will give us 6, minus 4 in bracket 3 times 4 will give us 12, minus 2 times 2 will give us plus 4. So the next is plus 3 in bracket. You do the same here. 3 times 3 will give us 9, minus, remember that minus 2 minus 2 will give us what? Plus 4. So when you open bracket with minus 4, is it not? So if you open bracket here, you have minus what? 4. So once you do that, you simplify your determinant. So have what? Minus 8 minus 6 will give us what? Will give us minus 14. And minus 14 times 2 will give us what? Will give us minus 28. So you write minus 28. 12 plus 4 will give us 16. 16 times minus 4 will give us what? Minus 64. You write again. 9 minus 4 will give us 5. 5 times 3 will give us 15. So you sum the value, minus 28 minus 64 plus 15 will give us minus what? 77. So you have what? Minus 77 as the determinant. Once you have gotten the determinant to be what? Minus 77, you return to the equation. We say that the area is equals to what? Half the value of the determinant, plus or minus half the value of the determinant. So in this case, if the determinant is minus, then you use what? Minus what? Minus half. So we have that our determinant D is equals to what? Minus 77. So the area A is equals to, because this is minus, so you have minus half times what? Minus 77, because area cannot be what? Negative. And that gives us what? 38.5 square unit. This is abbreviation. So that is the area of the given triangle. You can use other methods, but this method is the easy one. If I have any question, please endeavor to ask me for explanation. Please click the subscribe button to encourage me for more videos for your views. Click the notification button to be notified anytime we have what? A new video update. And then click shares and likes so that other people will be able to see the videos and appreciate what we do. Please, before you go, also you can go to our website at www.manzananews.com and then register for monthly edition at a token price to encourage me to be bringing more videos and more explanation for you to be able to master mathematics once and for all. So click the subscribe button for more encouragement and more videos for your view. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.